Jon here again. We're back with another tech tip. This tech tip is centered around ABS issues. So if you have an ABS light on, you have a specific wheel speed code, and you're noticing when you test drive it, you get zero output from the sensor. On most newer cars, the sensors are 2-wire and they use a voltage-driven circuit. So all it's doing is it's getting an interruption based on a magnet that's inside the reluctors. A quick check to do first before you dig into the harness or anything like that, or get to main connectors, is to just get the sensor out of the hub. As you can see here, we have the sensor out of the hub. So these sensors are usually mounted in a dry area near the hub and bearing where the reluctor is. And the reluctor, all it is a magnetic wheel that interrupts the circuit. That's the 12-volt driven circuit of the sensor. So what you can do is just take your favorite tool, which this is mine, pocket screwdriver with a magnet on the end or any other magnet, the stronger the better, and just wave it across the sensor back and forth, and you will get a reading on your data if the sensor and the circuitry and the module is correct. If you get a reading, then you know for a fact that there is an issue with the reluctor ring inside the wheel bearing itself and will need to be replaced. That concludes our tech tip of the day. Remember, like, subscribe, comment below, and we'll see you on the next one.